cloud. Let's take out two little Dickey birds. Two little Dickey birds sitting on a cloud. One named Soft, the other named Loud. Fly away, Soft. Fly away, Loud. Come back, Soft. Come back, Loud. Again, two little Dickey birds sitting on a cloud. One named Soft, the other named Loud. Fly away, Loud. Come back, Soft. Come back, Loud. And that's Barbara Cass Beggs. You can see how lovely that is. Now let's do a silly version of that. Two little Dickey birds sitting in the snow. One named Fast, the other named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. You want to try that with me? Two little Dickey birds sitting in the snow. One named Fast, the other named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. Oh, that was great.